This is coming outside. See, it's still snowing pretty hard. Take it outside a little bit. Look at this shit, man. I mean, look how deep it is. I mean, see, that's probably about, what, a good 4 feet, 3 feet maybe. This is pretty cool right here. Just going into the backyard. Yeah, it's a lot of snow, especially right here. I don't know if you can see, but I'm probably a good, I don't know, way almost above my knees right now. That's right here on that. That's where I was standing. So that's pretty high. Then as we move up to the front, man, it gets kind of crazy. Woo, that wind! Here's the streets of Chicago. There's the plow. It's my car. As you can see, trying to get through this. I'm probably about ankle deep right now in some snow. And here's where they plowed. As you can see, I can't even get out. My brother can't get out. I mean, and that's almost up to the hood. The main street is over there. There's just people plowing away. I don't know why, but that's what we got so far. So that's pretty high right there. Here's ground view on the top.